Hi, this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today I'm going to be working with the best glue ever, as well as this little tip that I've added to the bottle, and then I'm going to use this purpley hollow glitter, and what I'm going to make are some embellishments for card making or scrapbooking or what have you. And so I'm going to work with this. It's very much like working with icing, I guess I would say. I'm going to squeeze it out onto this release paper that I have here, and I am just going to make a few little dots. And you can make these dots as big as you want. I am going to work on some small ones here today. That way that writing tip comes in really handy in making these small little dots. Trying to make them somewhat uniform in size. And if I have a bump on top, I'm trying to knock that down a bit. So that they're more pearl-like in shape. Now if you quit squeezing before you try to lift, you'll have less of that little tail coming up. Okay, that was an air bubble, so we'll just start over again. You know, when you're focusing on something so small and so close, that kind of a noise can really startle you. This tip is great because it has, hopefully you can see me trying to put this little needle tool back in so it doesn't clog or get dried up. And so now I'm just going to open up my glitter, try to control it around my workspace here. And this release paper, I don't know if you can see, I have it taped down so it isn't curling on me. Alright, so I'm going to cover those and then let them dry. Probably shake off some of the glitter, and then once they're dry and ready to use, I will come back and show them to you. Hi, I just wanted to come back and show you that here is the dots after I have poured the glitter off. So hopefully you can get close and you can see what they look like. They are still wet, so I'm going to set them off to dry, and you can see how this release paper is rolling up on me, and that's why I taped it down into place. So I will set that aside and let it dry, and then come back and show how I release them and what they look like. So here are my embellishments dried, And I think I may just be leaving them on this paper until I use them, but I just wanted to show you, I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to remove them, and then stick them down on some scrapbooking paper, and just to show you how, let me move so you can see this flowered shape here, just to show you how I can embellish this. And these tend to still be a little sticky on the bottom, so I can just lift them up and put them in place without using any other additional adhesive, and just kind of get them where I want them and add the embellishment to this paper. It works really, really well. So there you go. I mean, it's sticking perfectly well. And I'll show you a close-up as soon as I get done here. Alright, there we go. It was just that easy. And there, hopefully you can see the glitter. I think it really adds to that flowered shape. So I'm pleased with how this turned out, and that was super easy to do. And if you have some of this release paper left over, you could easily make these dots and keep them until you need them, because the stickiness remains on the bottom part of the dot. So there you have it.